The Resurgence row, an awesome chest supported row variation that I think puts your back in a much better position. We're going to follow some of my key principles here. We want to maintain space from shoulder to hip equal on either side. We want to make sure that the shoulders stay above the hips, and we want the knee in front of the ankle. We can use the incline on the bench to change the difficulty. The higher the incline, the less stress we're going to have. As your mobility improves and your hamstring flexibility improves, we can get lower. A brilliant option instead of bent over rows. That's a better start position, Carrie. So here we have Carrie working on a T-spine row, thoracic row as I like to call it. Her primary focus is to dissociate rotation from the shoulders and the hips. So we've got to keep the hips nice and square and just twist through the upper body. And pull back. Good, so sit into your squat a wee bit more, push your knees out, squeeze your butt hard, don't let your hips twist. That's better, and pull back round. Good, yeah, do that again. Stay square. Four more. Good, Carrie, let those shoulders twist. That's better. Last two. Hold that back position for a second. Yeah, and then open up again. Really nice work.